Members and supporters of Pakistan-based Muttahida Qawmi Movement or MQM held anti-Pakistan demonstrations in UK and Canada to condemn PM Imran Khan's statement in Pakistan's National Assembly suggesting assassination of their leader Altaf Hussain. While they demanded security for their leader, they also urged the UK leadership to give Islamabad a befitting reply for even thinking of challenging UK's integrity and sovereignty.
These people demonstrating in front of 10 Downing Street, the residence of UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, want him to teach Pakistan leadership a lesson. Members of MQM or the Muttahida Qawmi Movement, the organization of Muhajirs who are routinely persecuted in Pakistan, took to the streets this time to condemn Prime Minister Imran Khan for his statement in the National Assembly. He had said that he would get their leader Altaf Hussain eliminated through a drone attack if he gets access to British soil. They also urged the authorities to provide Hussain with more security so that he is not attacked by Islamabad-backed network in Britain.
हमारी दरख्वास्त अपील है कि कायदा तहरीक अल्ताफ हुसैन भाई का जो उनका स्टेटस है उस हिसाब से उनका ख्याल रखा जाए, सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड की जाए और वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान से पूछा जाए कि वो किस बुनियाद पे वो ये बयान दे रहे हैं कि बरतानिया 30 साल से टेररिस्ट को यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है.
A number of Muslims who feared violence post-independence in 1947 settled in Pakistan's Sindh province. The property vacated by Sindhi Hindus who were persecuted to flee to India was allocated to the Indian Muslim immigrants, popularly known as Muhajirs. However, despite being a part of the majoritarian religious community, Muhajirs are still subjected to systematic exploitation and compelled to live as second-class citizens. From a community that had grown up the ladder through merit-based excellence, Muhajirs are one of the most badly off today. Demanding the rights, they say, is at par with committing a serious offence. And while this time they are demanding their own rights, they seek London support too, for they say Pakistan has attacked Britain's integrity and sovereignty.
हर नेशन का, हर मजहब का आदमी एक जगह खड़ा है तालिबान खान के खिलाफ. उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ये बात करने की? एक तो अल्ताफ हुसैन को मारने की, दूसरी बरतानिया के सॉइल की इंटीग्रिटी के खिलाफ बात की.
While Pakistan has been eliminating dissenters with impunity inside its own territory, its intelligence agency ISI has managed to penetrate deep into the European and the American cities, where most of the exiled Kashmiris, Balochs or Sindhis are living in hideouts. And it has successfully targeted them there too. Only a few days back, Nadeem Nusrat, former MQM convener, survived an assassination attempt in the United States. And this is not an exclusive case. Earlier, journalists Sajid Hussain and Karima Baloch were found dead under suspicious circumstances in Sweden and Canada. Experts believe that Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan, who had recently praised China's communist model over the Western democratic model, is on the verge of embracing totalitarianism, and the days don't appear far when there will be discrimination and killings, and the world will never get to know.